The meaning of the word as-sawmu in the Arabic language is al-imsaku. Al-imsaku. And al-imsaku means to restrain. It is to withhold. And that is the meaning Maryama used in the Quran, the mother of Isa, when she said, إِنِّي نَذَرْتُ لِلرَّحْمَنِ صَوْمًا فَلَنْ أُكَلِّمَ الْيَوْمَ إِنْسِيًّا. إِنِّي نَذَرْتُ لِلرَّحْمَنِ صَوْمًا. Today I have made a nadar, a oath and a covenant with my Lord. إِنِّي نَذَرْتُ لِلرَّحْمَنِ صَوْمًا. To do what? To do sawm. What does she mean by sawm here? She means to withhold and to restrain myself from speaking. فَلَنْ أُكَلِّمَ الْيَوْمَ إِنْسِيًّا, she said, I'm not going to speak to anyone. So the usage of the word as-sawmu in that ayah is the linguistic and the lexical usage according to the Arabs and what they meant by it. The same is the usage of the pre-Islamic poet 𝗪𝗵𝘁 when he said خَيْلُ صِيَامٌ وَخَيْلُ غَيْرُ صَائِمَةٍ تَحْتَ الْعَجَاجِ وَأُخْرَى تَعْلُقُ اللُّجُمَ. Some horses were galloping, while others upon their bridles restrained. So some horses were galloping, and while others were bridled, were upon their bridles, and they were restrained. So the last part is what concerns us. He's saying that some of the horses were restrained with the bridles that were in their mouth, the strips that were in the mouth of the horse. They were restrained with that. So the word he used here is what? خَيْلُ صِيَامٌ وَخَيْلُ غَيْرُ صَائِمَةٍ. Some horses were galloping and they had no restraints, and others were upon their bridles restrained. The usage here that 𝗪𝗵𝘁 is using is the lexical linguistic usage, which means to restrain. مطلق الإمساك.